Right now, state lawmakers trying to decide how much pot is too much pot when driving. 7 News reporter Don Champion just stepping out of a packed state capitol. Don, unlike DUI limits for alcohol, testing for drug impairment is more complicated.
And Mike, the process evokes a lot of concern considering the fact that blood has to be drawn to confirm whether or not someone is over the limit. This is the third time the idea has come up here at the state capitol in recent years, and the bill's sponsors this go around hope a few changes makes the difference.
This is a public safety matter.
Arapahoe County Sheriff Grayson Robinson among those testifying today about the need to set a driving impairment level for Colorado pot smokers. House Bill 1114 would make it illegal to get behind the wheel with more than 5 nanograms of Delta-9 THC in your system. It's the psychoactive component of marijuana. Bill sponsor Mark Waller says unlike previous versions of the bill, this one allows a person to rebut that they're impaired at the 5 nanogram level.
For example, if you did not exhibit poor driving, then you can put that on as evidence to say, look, my driving wasn't poor, so I'm not unsafe to operate a motor vehicle.
Tyron Link is a medical marijuana user. Her biggest concern is fair testing.
But it doesn't make me impaired now if I haven't smoked since yesterday. We're not even going by scientific evidence at all. We're just taking some like random number and say, oh, well, let's just pick 5 nanograms.
I'm starting to get it. Oh, yeah.
KIRO TV in Seattle recently put 3 pot smokers to the test after Washington State passed a similar law.
If I were to be watching him on a road, I would have stopped him.
All 3 volunteers driving got worse the more they smoked.
Way more stoned. Way more.
And one volunteer who smoked more than 1 gram of pot during the experiment even admitted she shouldn't have been behind the wheel.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That was awesome. That was awesome.
By the way, Washington State's legal limit is 5 nanograms of THC, which is different than what it would be here in Colorado. They would just test the Delta-9 THC component. Testimony is still going on inside the chamber. A final vote is expected. We'll update you tonight at 10. But for now, we're live at the Capitol. Don Champion, 7 News.